Hello everyone, welcome to Zen Appeal. Today we are going to do a yoga workout for beginners, right? So get your mind ready to move a little bit and let's get started. So we'll move into our box, hands and knees, and just prepare the spine a little bit. Take inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Here we go again, inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale. Neutral spine, we'll tuck the toes and let the hips come up and back to downward facing dog. Take a little walking with the dog here. So whenever you're finished with your walking your dog, leave some space, room in between your feet. We're going to move forward into plank pose. So inhale, find plank. So when you move into plank, my hips are not sagging to the floor. I come forward and pull the belly up. And I'm pulling the belly up towards my spine, belly button as well. My feet are light, my hands are heavy. Yeah, hold 3, 2, 1, push back. So we'll try a couple more like that. If it starts to get too challenging, you can't hold the pose, of course you can take the knees. Here we go. Inhale forward, pull the belly up. 3, 2, 1, and back. One more. Inhale forward, plank. Pull the belly up. Hold 3, 2, and 1. And back, high up onto the toes, lift off. Bend into the knees, hips to heels, make your way to the top of the mat. Feet together when you get there, lift the chest and fold. Rising up nice and tall to mountain. And exhale, back down to the toes. Inhale, flat back, exhale, right leg. We take this back and down to the knee. Take the pose. Inhale, reach up, interlace the fingers. Lunge with a little back bend if you can. Exhale, back to plank. All right, so remember, we pull the belly up, hold here. 3, 2, and 1. Take the right knee down. Open up into baby side plank. So we're reaching left arm up. Eye gaze is up. Have my right hand, right knee, left heel, one straight line. And from here, inhale, reach forward. You can shoot the eye gaze with the hand if you like. You can even pick up the foot. Hold 3, 2, 1. Take this all the way down to the belly. Take a nice cobra. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, child's pose. All right, from here, we're going to check in with a low plank. So low plank just means the elbows on the earth, palms on the earth, forearms on the earth. And then from there, we reach out, the legs, tuck in, hold this one for 3, 2, and 1. Knees down, send the hips back a little. Take a moment. A little or a lot. I went back a lot. We'll take that again. Inhale, come in to your pose. Pull the belly up, strong. 3, 2, 1. And release, push back. So we're going to make our way back to our downward facing dog from the box. So inhale, box. Exhale, up to downward facing dog. And then we go again, high up onto the toes, lift off. Bend into the knees, hips to heels, eyes forward, top of the mat, feet together. When you get there, lift the chest and fold. Rise up. Inhale up, lean back. Back to the toes, exhale. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, left leg back and down to the knee. So we're lunge on the knee, interlace the fingers, push up, inhale up. Exhale, hands down, find your plank again. All right. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Left knee down. Turn for side plank here. So reaching the right arm up, pushing the tail under and forward. Have a straight line from the left hand, left knee, right heel. Here we take it, inhale, reach forward, stay here. Shift the eye gaze with the hand if you like it. Pick up the leg, you choose it. 3, 2, and 1. Down to the belly. Rise up for cobra, inhale, reach up. Child's pose. All right, so we're going to check back in with our low plank on the elbows. Palms down to the earth, shoulders and elbows right on top of each other. And from here, extend the legs, hold your pose for 3, 2, and 1. Release, take a moment. Go again. Inhale forward, extend. Hold, 3, 2, and 1. Release and shift back. All right, so again, through box pose, we make our way to downward facing dog. So inhale up to the box, exhale, tuck the toes, and send the hips up and back. So here we bring our feet together. We're gonna move like a pendulum from downward facing dog into a lizard. Yeah, we take a big step forward. So to take the big step forward, make sure you bring in your obliques, your side body. So it's right. So it's pull the belly in and step, right? All right, let's move with breath. So from here we inhale to move the leg, exhale, plant, release, push back. Inhale, push back. Go again, right side, inhale, push back. Left side, inhale, push back. One more each side, inhale, push back. Left side, inhale, push back. Stay here, plant the left leg, right leg reaching, 3-legged dog, inhale. Exhale, come through, find warrior 1. All the feet are flat to the earth, front leg bent, back leg long, inhale, come up for warrior. Exhale, plank. Take a breath in plank. Push back, downward facing dog. Feet together again, left side, left leg reach, inhale. Exhale through for warrior 1. Inhale, the arms come up, warrior. Exhale, plank. Breath in plank. Push back. Feet together again. Right leg reach, inhale. Exhale, same pose, warrior 1, but we're going to add on. Arms come up, warrior. Open up for warrior 2. Shift the eye gaze with the right hand. From here, inhale, straighten the front leg, palms come together. Exhale, this time, take this down to the earth, or chaturanga. Chaturanga is low push-up or all the way to the earth. You choose. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, back. Downward facing dog. Feet together. Take the same thing on the left side. Left leg reach, inhale. Exhale, come through, warrior 1. Both feet flat, back foot on the angle. Inhale, up, warrior. And exhale, open, warrior 2. So hips are open now, so adjust my back foot. So from here, inhale, extend the front leg, palms come together. Exhale, spiral. the front foot, either chaturanga or to the earth. Inhale, reach up, high cobra or none. Exhale back, downward facing dog. Okay, so we have feet together again. Reach the right leg up, knee into the belly. Again, extend into the belly. Again, extend into the belly. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Let the foot come down. Taking lunge. So you can stay up here for full lunge or drop down to lunge on the knee, your choice. Inhale, come up. Exhale, plank. So again, holding plank. 3, 2, 1. Right knee down. Inhale, side plank. Go right in, hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale to the belly. Reach up, inhale. Exhale, back. Feet together, left side. Inhale, reach left leg up. Knee into the belly. Strong, belly goes up. Again, inhale, reach. Exhale, in. Again, inhale, reach. Exhale, in, hold. We're letting the foot come down. Taking a lunge. You can drop down to the knee if you need to. Inhale, take your pose. Exhale. Plank. Hold your plank. 3. Pull the belly up. 2, 1. Left knee down. Go right into side plank. Inhale, hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Chaturanga or all the way to the earth. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, back. High up onto the toes. Lift. Bend into the knees, hips to heels. Walking into a frog squat. So feet wide. Take breath. Drop in. Stay. 3, 2, 1. Hands down. Extend the legs. Inhale. Step out to plank. Exhale. Hold plank. 3, 2, 1. Big breath. Exhale, back. Repeat. High up, inhale. Bend, exhale. Inhale, step in wide. Exhale, drop down. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Hands down, extend legs. Exhale, step to plank. Pull the belly up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Big breath. Exhale, back. One more. High up, inhale. Bend, exhale. Wide, we step. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop down. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Hands down, extend the legs. Exhale, step out to plank. Hold your plank. 3, 2, 1. This time, chaturanga or all the way to the earth. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, back. Very nice. Feet together. Reach the right leg up. Inhale, up. Take a bending of the knees, stacking of the hips. Exhale. Knee into the belly. Inhale. Foot comes down. Exhale, turn. Bend into the right knee, side lunge. Up and over. 1. Up and over. 2. Up and over. 3. Lunge facing the front of the room, full or on the knee. Inhale, come up. Exhale, plank. Hold plank. 3, 2, 1. Right into side plank. Right knee down. Extend the left side. 3, 2, 1. Back to plank. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Big breath. Send this back. Feet together. Left leg. Inhale. Extend the left leg up. Bend the knees. Stack the hips. Knee into the belly. Inhale in. Plant the foot. Exhale. Turn into the left knee. Side lunge. Up and over. 1. Up and over. 2. Up and over. 3. From here, we turn back to our lunge. Fuller on the knee. You choose it. Inhale up. Exhale, plank. Hold the plank for 3, 2, 1. Right into the side plank. Hold 3, 2, 1. Back into plank. Hold again. 3, 2, 1. Big breath. Exhale. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, back. Downward facing dog. Feet together, right leg stacks the hips. Inhale. Exhale, bring the leg through. Plant the foot, drop the back foot to the toes, point to the left side. Left arm brings you up, reverse triangle. Exhale, take your pose. Inhale, come up, reverse triangle. Back to plank. Plank on toes or knees. You might be tired by now. 3, 2, 1. Big breath. Push back, feet together. Left leg, inhale up. Bend the knees back. Exhale through. Plant the foot, back foot also drops down, toes point to the right. Inhale, come up, reverse triangle, straight legs. Exhale, go in for your pose. Inhale, we come up. Exhale. Spiral the front foot. Back to plank. Hold 3, 2, 1. Big breath. Exhale. Chaturanga. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hips to the heels. All right. So we come back up to a box. Tuck the toes, hover the knees. Hold, pull the belly up. 3, 2, 1. Take it back, release. A couple more just like that. Inhale up, tuck the toes, hover the knees. Pull the belly up. 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. And back, release the toes. Again. Inhale up. Hold, hover the knees. 3. Pull the belly up. 2, 1. And release. Half pigeon, right leg in front. Slide back. Drop into your pose, whatever you have. Just stay, breathe. Changing sides. However you do, doesn't matter. And go in. Stay. 3. Two. And 1. Inhale, we come up. Exhale. Just moving into your comfortable sit. One hand on top of the other, we just observe how the body feels. We notice our heartbeat, we notice our breath. Everything feels good. I feel like I've inspired my energy. Anyway, I hope this practice served you. Until next time, all my love. Namaste.